Tables are a feature that some people like, but many completely ignore. Example 1. When converting data into the form of a table that Excel can recognize, you can gain access to many additional options. To convert data into a table, click on a cell in the data range and select Table from the Insert tab. We are asked to confirm the range, and after pressing OK, the data is converted into a table. Column headers, like Column 1, are added to columns without headers. Filter symbols have appeared next to the column headers, giving access to filtering and sorting options. The table is also automatically formatted according to one of the available formats. Using one of many table styles from the Design tab, we can change the style of the table. When you right-click on the table, a list of tools appears. Select Table and then Totals Row. When you click on any of these cells, you can choose which formula to use in that row. Here, instead of sum, average will be more appropriate. If you filter, sort, add or delete rows, both the formatting and the formulas in the summary row will be changed accordingly. Let's sort the values in column C. As you can see, the formatting has been matched to the new data layout. The fact that the data has been sorted has been marked by adding an arrow to the filter symbol in cell C3, representing that it has been sorted in descending order. Tables also have the property that in the case of scrolling down the screen, the column headers that are no longer visible replace the column's letters. That only works if the active cell is somewhere inside the table. To convert a table back to a data range, right-click on any cell in the table, select Table, then Convert to Range, and confirm. From this point on, the data is dealt with as a normal range. The formatting and totals remain, but will not automatically change if we make changes to the data, and after sorting, it will look like this. Example 2. Tables have many limitations, and some features can only be used with simple tables. It's possible for Excel to get confused with even the slightest complication, for example having 2 rows of column headers. Also, when adding a totals row, percentage symbols will be counted as one of the data records. I suggest only using this tool for simple tables, or if you want to use a tool that requires this format, for example a slicer. If you want to have full control over the formulas in your sheet, it's better to insert them yourself. I recommend you watch all the lessons from the Excel for Beginners and Advanced Excel courses, and then check your skills by doing the Excel job interview tests, which are at the end of the Advanced Excel course.